Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. So recently I uploaded this video to show you the bass exercise about praise bassline exercise, okay? And you people were like chatting me on my WhatsApp that now you've done with the exercise, how can we play it in a groove, okay? So me being so lucky, I got a praise song where you can apply this bassline, or let me say this exercise. So guys, let's check out the video.
One more time. Jesus, now you be your God. Jesus, now you be your God.
Okay, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment, okay? But before we start the breakdown, I also do private class lessons. If you are interested, there'll be a link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on the link. It will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? Guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial, okay? So now let's look at the first one. The progression I used was very simple. The progression, or let's say the song was played on key B, okay? Jesus, now you be your God, dun, 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 dun. That is do, so. Jesus, now you be your God, so. Okay, so let's focus on the main groove and the first exercise as in bassline, okay? So it goes like this, if you remember. Okay, so fa, do, fa. Okay, it's very simple. Let's make it short. Now to your la, because the progression of that song, I'll say is fa, la, re, so, do. Okay, so fa, do, fa, la, mi, la, re, la, re, la, re, so, re, so, do. Okay. Okay, so if you want to start again, I did the passing note. You can also bring in this sliding technique, okay? So first, we can use a sliding technique like this, okay? On your so to la, so. Okay, in case you don't want to play. Okay, so fa, so la. You understand? So on that sliding area, to your so to your la, you have to make it very fast. Just follow the timing. Okay, so re, so. Okay, put that in mind. So re, so do. You continue again. Do, re, mi, do, fa. You understand? So this is the first exercise and this is the first bassline you can use, okay, for a start. Yeah, because the more you use it, the more you'll be having more flexibility in your fingers, and it will be like being easy for you to play the praise, okay? So just have time with your metronome. Okay, so there are two ways you can play this groove. One is the legato, second is the staccato. Look at the difference. Okay, and the second one. understand? So the first one I play is the staccato, playing your notes shortly. Okay, so and the second one, the laccato. Okay, so I want you to I want you to know these two ways you can bring out the sound of this groove. Okay, the longest one, the shortest one, that's your laccato and your staccato. Okay, so now let's jump into the second bass line. The second bass line will be somehow hard because some of you on my WhatsApp were saying it wasn't easy, you even practicing it. Okay, so let me make it easy for you here. Okay, so it goes like this, the same progression. Okay, so remember that on your first note, 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand? So we are on fa, fa 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 fa, so la, fa 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 fa, so la. Get that? Fa 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 fa, so la, la. Okay. So here you see that your la is at the top of the fret. It will be difficult to bring your hand on top of it, but try and do that. Okay, so here I'll be giving you passing notes to each root note you'll be playing. Okay, so fa 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 fa, so la la. Now to your re. Ti do re. Okay, so on your re, re mi fa re. You get that? Re mi fa re. Now to your so. Mi fa so 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 la ti so. Okay. Mi fa so 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 la ti so. In the groove, I played the latisso here. You can also do it here. So 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 la ti so, or mi fa so 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 la ti so. So do 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 re mi do fa 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 fa. So learn how to use the two and the first one. Okay, so just feel comfortable. Okay, so the more you are using it, the more you'll be getting more vibes, bringing some kind of notes and putting in that kind of bass line, then you'll be going to another level. Okay, so I think this is what you guys wanted me to explain for you, how you can put the bass line or the exercise as in the bass line in a song. Okay, so I got a song and use it very well. Understand the progression. Fa, la, re. There are many praise songs out there that goes with this kind of progression. Even in a Baja song, something like aye 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 aye. You can use this bass line, but it won't be like the praise aye aye aye. You see? Okay, so I hope you got that. Okay, so understand the progression, understand the bass line, and also try and practice with this bass line to get the flexibility in your plucking area. Okay, because this is the hardest thing. if you're a beginner, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I think this is what I have for you now. I'll be bringing more. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell because I don't want you to miss any video I upload. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.